back out in the garage. Nice warm day out here, so I figured I'd get out here and kind of get some stuff done. We're gonna start on this trunk, get this thing painted up. First thing is we need to do, I've already went through and peeled some of the old seam sealer off and cleaned it up in there a little bit. First thing we gotta do is knock this thing down to 180 grit. Then I'll come back through and rust reform some of the stuff like that. And then I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a little bit of rust up there like that. And then seam seal it. Then hopefully I'll get a nice good day next week that I can come in here and give it a good spray job. But yeah, let's start working on it. All right, we got her scuffed up in here. You can check it out. Back out for you so you can see here. Yeah, we got it all scuffed up. Wasn't too awful bad. It was, the sealing was a pain in the arse. But whoever seam sealed this thing in its future life had done a horrible job, because there's seam sealer all over everything. But next thing to do is I'm going to get in here with some rust reform and get in this bare metal here that I've sanded off, and then get in here with my own seam sealer and seam seal some of these cracks and seams, and I'll bring you back. Alright guys, we're back. I went ahead and rust reformed this. I'll let that stuff eat, and then tomorrow I'll get out here and do this seam sealing. I run out of daylight today, so we're getting there though, slowly but surely. I should be able to paint this week. I'm hoping. I kind of regret not getting out here this week and doing this. I could have had it done today, but awesome. I'll bring you back on progress. All right, guys, we seam sealed it. Hopefully, get this to dry the next day or two, and I'll be able to get out here in the next couple days and get this thing painted up. So I am going to use Raptor liner inside here too. Just because I got extra and I figured it'd be nice to be in here, it'd be nice and sturdy. But yeah, I'll bring you back whenever we get this thing ready to paint. Alrighty guys, we got her taped up and ready to paint. Next thing I got to do is just give it a good wipe down inside there and tack cloth it, and then by the time you guys see it next, it will be painted. Don't make fun of my tape job. It is what it is, and it worked. So we should do pretty good. Hopefully have you back and have it painted. Alrighty, we have got paint. Well, Raptor liner. It turned out pretty good. I started out kind of getting a little sloppy with it, but then I kind of evened it all out and it got real nice. But yeah, it turned out real good, I think. But yeah, it's one step closer to making it a car. Next thing to work on is the interior and get all that painted up. And hopefully by maybe summertime I'll have this thing fully painted. I don't know. But yeah, check it out. Looks good, I think. Y'all have a good one.